Cheers. 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 Who that a call me? Who that a call me? Rumhead, are you that? Well, me not going out tonight. Me not going out tonight. Every night you gone a rum bar and left your wife at home. Hmm? You will soon know what will happen to you. For every night you get up and left your wife and gone a rum bar. And my Bible me I read. Me is a change man now. Hmm? Me I stay more with me wife. Me done with rum bar business. A full time now for change my life. Father God soon come take in world. Me is a change man now. Me I change my life. You can't stay there go on a bar. You must know where I look for. Big man like you. Every night you go on a rum bar. You want go on tonight. I am not coming. I am not coming tonight. You want go on. You will soon know where I look for. How you mean me not fi start the preaching? Eh? And you never come call me fi preach to you. I have to tell you the truth. Whether you like it, yes or no. Hmm? You're over 60 years of age. You need to change your lifestyle and change your ways. You cannot go a bar and years now you go a bar. A full time now for you. Change your ways. Change your ways, man. Hmm? Your wife is going to church and you going to bar. Nothing cannot be like that. Hmm? The Bible said not to be equally yoked with unbelievers. Hmm? You need to change up your folly grounds. Hmm? The poor lady need her husband beside her to walk to church. And every night you gonna bar. Every single night you gonna bar. So I was sweeter down at the bar, so. At the bartender where you have your hype on. Hmm? Well, me I beg you take your eye off of the bartender, you hear? Alright. You must know. Me change my life, you know. My life change.